In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva template, 2025, step by step. We'll go from opening Canva to sending a link that lets others use your design as a template without touching your original. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Head to the official site and make sure you're logged in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. A stable internet connection helps the share panel load properly, and logging in first ensures you see all of your designs and folders. Once you're on the home page, locate the design you want to share as a template. You can find it in your recent designs or search by title. Open the design so you're inside the editor. Take a moment to review it. Check fonts, colors, and any placeholder text or images you want others to customize. Renaming the file clearly can help recipients understand what it's for. Look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you control who gets access and what they can do. If you want to share directly with specific people, type their email address and choose the permission that fits. For collaboration, use Can Edit so they can work on the same file. For a quick preview without changes, choose Can View. If your goal is to let them make their own copy, look for the option that shares the design as a template. That way, recipients create a fresh file based on your design and your original stays unchanged. You can also share with a link. Before copying, check the access setting. Choose only people added if you want tight control, or anyone with the link if you're sending it broadly or embedding it in a course or community. For templates, select the Use as Template option, so the link automatically prompts recipients to make their own version. When everything looks right, click Copy Link. Paste that link into an email, message, or document. A helpful practice is to test the link yourself in a private window to confirm it opens with the correct permissions. That's all there is to it. Search Canva and log in, open the design you want, click Share, either add an email or use a shareable link. Choose how others can access your template, and then copy the link. You can always return to the Share panel later to update permissions or stop sharing. With these settings dialed in, you'll share Canva templates confidently while keeping your original design safe and consistent.